you to stop buying granola from the market because it's so easy to make, and I'll show you how. And I'll also share 5 golden rules so that you can never mess it up. So to make a granola, all you need is a base of some kind of fat and a sweetener. The base, I'm using oats here. These are 2 cups of oats. You can use rolled oats. I'm just using the variety that I had in my pantry. So for the nuts, I'm using chopped almonds, chopped cashews, some pumpkin seeds, and some sunflower seeds. Give it a good mix. So now for the fats, I'm using 4 tablespoons of melted butter. You can use coconut oil, you can use nut butter, you even use ghee if you want, or any simple oil of your choice. For the sweetener, I add maple syrup to it. You can use honey, you can use date syrup, jaggery syrup, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla extract. Give it a good mix. Now mix it all together. Now the first rule is to always keep your dried fruit like cranberries, raisins, whatever you're using, completely separate for now. Don't add them yet. Now the second important rule is to always bake the granola low and slow. I always bake at 150 or maybe 160 but never at 180 because granola can burn really fast before you even realize it. Now spread this mixture into a parchment lined baking tray, which gets us to rule number 3, which is to always press the mixture down firmly into a uniform thin layer onto the tray. I'm going to bake this at 150 degrees Celsius for around 30 to 40 minutes in the oven. Halfway through the baking, pull the tray out, give it a quick mix, then put it back for the rest of the time. This is what gets you that even golden color all over. Our granola is ready. Look at the nice, beautiful golden color and it smells amazing. Which brings me to the most important point. Do not touch it till it's hot. I know it's tempting, but right now it's still a little soft, so we need to let it cool down completely because it crisps up as it cools. Once your granola is cooled completely, this is the time where your cranberries or the raisins go in. You can also add some chocolate chips at this time. Mix it well, and your batch of homemade granola is ready. This is how you make a very simple but delicious granola at home. Save this one so you always got it on your hand, and if you know somebody who's still buying granola from the market, send them this reel.